Okay, back to the garden and transitioning away from the trellises to Old Faithful Pepper Place, which is looking very different. It's kind of like, hey, something's missing here. As in, Hawaiian chili pepper went that way, so sorry. But what used to be Hawaiian chili pepper space is now opened up for sunshine. Quick tour. 1, 2, 3 Pimento Dulce stuffed hybrids. Got a pair of Thai chili. Got a pair of jalapeno. Got 2 jewels of OPAR. And got a curry plant. These 3 actually have no reason being here. But these 5 are kind of like in the nursery. Hopefully they'll get the most sun, the most exposure, and the best growth. But talking about some OGs, got an OG banana pepper here. 1. Got the other OG banana pepper here. But the OG banana pepper is no longer with us. These 2 banana peppers still bearing fruit. Leaves look ragged. I've sprayed them and I'm hoping that, well, cyclical as they should be, we'll get some new growth spread. Here is one of our Hungarian wax. Here's the other Hungarian wax. Obviously this one seems to be doing well and has been doing a lot better, but it's now in primo position to bear fruit. Flanking that is our dwarf Thai chili, of which we have little babies sprouting. I actually have some in the nursery on the inside. And finally the 2 OG Pimento Dulce hybrid stuffed peppers. Back there. Looking kind of scraggly, so hoping for new growth. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. That's partially why we got the next 3. Okay, so all of the soil has been treated with a top dressing of worm castings and they've been fertilized, so this is kind of a critical week to see some new growth from Pepper Place. Oh, and of course, always forget about Long Slim over here, constantly providing us beautiful cayenne peppers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the vine right now, 7 on the vine. Recently harvested about just as many, and you're doing well. You're doing well. Okay. You can see that the leafy ledge over here has new members. We got some brand new pak choy and brand new perpetual spinach. And ooh, that's a kind of dry feeling soil. All right, I might go ahead and give you guys a nice little watering. Kind of midday, you don't know, but you look like you could use it. Okay, Pepper Place and the leafy ledge. Looking good. They're just so pretty. The whole bolting thing on these Thai chili peppers, not so good, but roll call. Let's do that for coffin. I mean, CONDOS. Le PIKAKE with multiple buds about to pop anytime soon. Between Le PIKAKE, Thai basil, oregano, garlic chives, sage, rose PIKAKE, red lantern hibiscus, beautiful rosemary, thyme, English thyme, no, French thyme, new mint, spearmint, new dwarf dill, lavender hibiscus, butterfly lily ginger, monster, strawberry plant with pending strawberries somewhere, yeah, right there, green onions, recently planted and recently starting to regrow. Yellow onions, old school pak choy, and new ever-bearing strawberries. Oh yeah, latest edition of the CONDOS. Big ass Hawaiian chili pepper. Which is kind of where we started our tour today. Big props to Alumni, who we always forget about. Succulents in the back over there. Massive alloy. Elephant bush. Can't see them. You can see them. There they are. And a nursery. Anybody wants a bunch of purple LILIKOI? Got plenty. And long bean, English thyme, okra, and more Thai basil. And a partridge in a pear tree.